Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, a short video that will explain how to remove and replace the map sensor. That's a map sensor on Hyundai Elantra guys, generation 2011 to 2016 model. So stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. If you need to find more information about if it's a bad sensor, how to test them and the engine code that trigger the light, please check out the channel guys. We have quite a few videos. We have more than 200 videos taking this whole car apart. So please subscribe, and if you need anything, let us know. We'll try to make a video. More videos will be made on our brand new channel right here, so please give a subscribe. You'll find more Elantra videos there as well. So once you open the hood, okay, your sensor is located on the intake. This is your intake, and you don't have to even remove anything. Okay, you can see now this bolt right here, this wire, this is your map sensor, but it's a little bit hard to get to, and we'll show you how to do it in an easy way. So this is way, okay, to remove that bolt is to remove that vacuum right here, vacuum actuator, and you can see here's one nut with 10mm socket, so we'll go ahead and remove it now. Okay, this is a lock nut, so it's not easy to remove. Now we can pull it to the side and we'll be able to reach the bolt. Okay, you can move the vacuum up a little bit so we can get the bolt loose. Now you need to disconnect the wire on the back side right there. You can see towards the back, you press in, okay, press in and pull out, and the wires will come loose. Okay, you can see like that. So, and this is guys the map sensor. We'll go ahead and show you how to replace it now. We'll share the parts that we use in the description of the video below, so please check it out. So we'll get the new one, install it, okay, just the same way we took it apart. That O-ring might be dry if it's a new sensor, so go ahead and apply a little bit of oil, that way it will not go in. It will go in pretty easy and it will not damage the O-ring. And we'll just go ahead and install it now. You have to make sure you don't drop anything in the hole while it was gone. You have to press it in, okay? Put the bolt and connect the wire. Okay, you need to make sure that the holes align, otherwise the bolt will not catch. In our case it did. Now I'll grab the vacuum a little bit and pull it up so we can reach better with the socket and we don't damage anything in the way. Okay, perfect. All we have to do, push the wire in until it clicks. Okay, you have to make sure it's all the way in. Okay, great. Next, you need to just get that that nut with the 10mm wrench tied there. Make sure all the hoses are not loose. And that will be the whole procedure guys. We have to reset the code if you have engine code that triggered engine light. But other than that, this is the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.